Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
In the first place, Mahmoud Bawumia, Dr. Mampenya Bedechi, is a discredited personality. So when he said, see obey BBR, nobody takes him serious.
Why is he saying that?
He only appealed to core members of the MPP like Kamaldeen. But many young men and women and elite Ghanaians are who political parties' performances. No? To today, when they see Bawumia talks, some even off their television sets.
Really?
Because he has become somebody who has discredited himself based on Nyama Okakanye during the campaign in Nyama Oye. So, what is Bawumia coming to say?
Obaye, and then Okanya Obaye or Nyana so one moment.
Bawumia now, Kumasi, was it early part of this year also, or somewhere late last year? Before Benya Kwinya Kasano, Banta Mahini Obesi, or said to two Kobe Asante Kotokwanemu. Eka say, ene MPP mreso Kumasi ya dani krasi. Kumasi ay doom. Common street light pomunti being provided in foot through and aji Kumasi. Omwa kwa nyina etutu omunti minyani yi. Onya akwenya Ekasano, he never addressed some of those things. He went on his mantra 3 years ages. 1 DC, 1 factory, 1 village, 1 dam. No man who 82%. When the people who live within the country are telling you, say, within our confines, basic amenities like street lights and portable roads cannot be seen. You go and stand there and talk a mantra. Tomorrow, what will Bawumia do? Bawumia is coming to take stock, say, Ometra. I want to firm somewhere quite we. Is this percent a completion? So I would challenge say Ochina Bawumia should be able to tell Ghana for say 135 billion on Moji. They are able to.
Ghanaian publisher, and it was a 595 kilometer of roads in Ghana as far as since 2017. That's the vice president.
This comic relief. This MPP Abresu na asphalting of road becomes a novelty now. Is he under MPP?
I thought you were going to say Mwanye.
No. Is he under MPP?
They've done, but it's not a novelty.
Oh, listen. And asphalting of road has got novelty.
Oh.
Niana Bresu Otimi upgrade contractors. Before then we had only one asphalt company. And they were almost 10. So you can give a lot of areas for contractors to asphalt road. One emboss man. Easy. When you are doing comparison, look at growth within that industry. Asphalting of road is not a novelty under the MPP. So when you asphalt, how many kilometers of road? How much did the previous government asphalted? Has he been able to say it?
Have
we come to do any comparison?
It is visible in most of the urban areas.
Auto challenge. So to be able to say yours, no, Kase who buy over 2 these kilometers of asphalt. Yeah. Who within your term, why you see? So we'll be listening to him tomorrow. Again, and young one said today the MPP doesn't talk about schools. They talk about number of classrooms because Napua Mayati, as I said, they've built about 3,000 classrooms. Besides 3,000 classrooms, is it within 3 units, 6 units, 12 units, 18 units, or 24 units until in Chelsea classrooms? The same contest was in just say these are the number of school infrastructure you see, and you almost see teachers Bangalore. He is not doing deductions. So, in our boom, we are at 10. Yet, number of bungalows, dormitories, classrooms, then dining halls. You make it all those things. So, you see that compost kind of analysis no but for us we have moved into the market. Ghana for Juma under the John Dramani Mahama administration edisi akwamo no muye ena almost say obidi anode abekrum enti omutu nso aba. So they voted for him 3.5 years. I've always said every capital investment project is visible within the time John Dramani contracted those loans. Pokwasi interchange Sikano is not part of your $135 billion. That money is part of the John Dramani Mahama's debt. Sika oko G2 ho who drawing feasibility studies. Ye bibia contract, ye approve contract. And a mobile and a contract outside. Until you cannot, when you take credit, it's happening within your term bet and can Sika now because the money was ready. The same thing as Obechebi Lamte circle. The same thing as Tema Ekosi Mpakadan Railway. I get me. The same thing as Kojo Krom to Takwa Railway. Those projects are omuka somewhere infrastructure. Omudi eye de do Krom hanu. Enka muka ma be bon. Nya ye bisa mu say muka na ma be bought $135 million, which is more than a car free Nkrumah ABC John Dramani Mahama, because ye kona ye debt stock 120 billion cedis. Ene 155 billion cedis. Mudi 135 billion abeka ho. Enu ho na ye bisa mu say sai kanu physical infrastructure ewo mu ewo efa. Now see why asphalt 500 and something kilometer road into Yambon Sema. Is it a new road you constructed or you rehabilitated? You just added a bitumen surface asphaltic overlay on existing road. Obi onu eko face kwae a o twem e building bridges, e building heavy roads through it ko Prestia through Prestia and Kwanta eko Samri boy. Go and look at the road. Now you're quiet too. Nobody could believe that that road could have been done. I'm buy here for 3.5 years. Road now I can worry more. Contractor now was your friend Asabia or a Kumasi based contractor. And then I buying a Jasa road who come who bridges I see what quiet just to make sure say Obi call Samri boy and so kofa and fury and kofa body through Asenkregwa Asenwako Samri boy, he can apply straight from Prestia, Takwa Prestia, Noko. This is what vision the John Dramani Mahama government had. Ye ekwanya fa bebia, you couldn't believe. Eti ubana wood na makra, Krumha asphalt road. When hitherto communities just adjoining Accra, maybe East Legon, Abelenkpe Jawulu, any hanum. Now when you do Abofunha, there is no third road. Uko Akwetema, Mr. Akwetema, Uko Abokobi, Adenkrebi, Akwaman, Ashoman, to Maira, Fise, Edu Amasaman, Botemo. People want only gravel road. Omunya. Uni namhana odi asphalt gurusu say yempon sema. And so Niasaba ni say uko a budget statement mo a omunya provision for road construction. And so man pay the aswabo ni come and all both firm with artistic impression so constructing road. You see this the seat of a governance amudi baye if you say you right election mu enti yensan dad and crofo so Ghana for me catch them ate obi ba wo na so be catch them be ye kwan we bisan say sika na odi ba be kwan na wo ifa ofa enche o budget nu all right enye so ba be bo fem na ka say me na be roadway kama kan say bi but on say ono o start here no odu be bi aso say he has to be serious as about on a more serious so it tells you say he came to this video unprepared. Man can't be that say as regional Ghana we need data of just ended registration Maybe he didn't listen. Meet him just 10 seconds.
Okay,
as we speak, there is no register. What is there is the raw data all of us have collected.
Exactly.
Until the processes of exhibition and other deduplication is complete. Now, is certified, not the political party, there's no register. So you have a raw data. So when I want here, I know my job. As a regional organizer, I am well abreast and in tune with whatever process is going on in the register formation. As far as Greater Accra is concerned, you must know it.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.